Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and hi, if you're new, I'm Melissa and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content here on this channel, and today I have a beauty haul. If you saw my last vlog, you know I've been a little bit stressed. This transition going to a whole new city where I don't know anybody and a brand new school, brand new classes has been a lot on me. It's been a hard transition so far, especially like moving up here like a week before school starts and my home isn't even unpacked yet and we still don't have all of our furniture. So life has been chaotic. So I've picked up a little bit more beauty products just to kind of make myself feel better, one. But also because since the move, I've been able to see like what products I'm missing. I did a huge declutter and then I got rid of just a ton of stuff. So I have some new stuff in here. This haul is a mix of makeup, skincare, beauty, and some fragrance. So we'll just jump right into it. I'll start with the skincare first. So I picked up the MAC Mineralized Volcanic Ash Exfoliator. Now I'm having a little MAC moment right now. I used to use them back in the day and I loved them so much, but then I transitioned to talc-free makeup and cleaner formulas, and so I haven't really used a ton of MAC makeup since then, but I'm having a little moment with them right now. So I picked up the exfoliator. I needed a physical exfoliator because my chemical exfoliators alone aren't enough for my skin, especially because I'm wearing makeup now to classes. Like every day I go to class, I have some form of makeup on. So I wanted to pick up this one. It just looked super fun. It looks shimmery, which is really cool. And yeah, I think this one's gonna be good. I've also always wanted to try this. This has like always been on my radar, even back in the day. It's just one of those things I just never picked up. So there's that. The next skincare item I got was from Pixie. It's the Nourishing Lip Polish. It's a gentle lip scrub. It has a little scrubby applicator on the top. I'm not a fan of lip scrubs that you have to like manually scrub because I just think of all the dead skin cells that are just kind of sitting on this thing. So I don't know how I feel about that. But I'm still gonna use the formula inside because it was super hydrating and super nourishing. I did break into this already once. This haul is like a collective haul from the past week of being here. I've gotten all this makeup and skincare while being in this new apartment, so I figured it'd be like a collective haul sort of thing. This says it moisturizes and softens, has antioxidants, blah, 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 blah. I might just get like a little lip exfoliator applicator that I can use on the side and then like thoroughly wash and then use it with this formula. So I don't know, but I just picked this up. So that was the only two skincare things I got. Now we'll jump into fragrance. I picked up two more perfumes from Dossier and I've talked about them before on my channel. It is a brand that makes designer inspired fragrances. So they're super inexpensive compared to like the designer brand ones. So I have YSL's Black Opium and that's like $100 or so, but then Dossier's version of Black Opium is only $29. So you know what I'm gonna repurchase. So the two scents that I have here is Gourmand Orange Blossom, and this one I got because it is inspired by the Lancome La Vie Belle perfume. So the top notes are orange blossom, blackcurrant, and hazelnut, and the base notes are praline, vanilla, and tonka bean. So it's a super sweet but a little bit spicy scent, so I think this is gonna be perfect from the transition from summer to fall. And then the other perfume I got is Floral Jasmine. This one is a little bit floral for me, to be honest. It has the top notes of neroli, cardamom, bergamot, and pepper, and the base notes have vanilla, some ylang ylang, and broom flower. I don't know what broom flower is. I'm getting strong jasmine notes. I mean, it's in the name. And this one is based off of a Tom Ford perfume. Yeah, the Tom Ford Jasmine Rouge. So this one is a little bit, it leans a little bit more summery in my opinion. My two favorite scents from Dossier is, I think it's called like Brown Sugar. I'll have to insert the names. I'm forgetting the names right now, but they are so unbelievably good. I even got one for my mom for her birthday because I was like in love with that one and she smelled it on me. She's like, I need to have that. So I do have a discount code with Dossier. I'll put all the information in the description box. I'll link all the products and then I'll put my coupon code and the link to Dossier down there just so you guys have it. But yes, literally in love with the fragrances. So excited to add them to my collection. I've kind of been collecting perfume again. I don't want like a huge collection, but it's just nice to have like different scents for different moods. I used to be the type of person where I had like one perfume. It was like the Britney Spears one in the blue bottle, and then I had like a Victoria's Secret spray. I was that basic hoe. So now I have all these fragrances and I'm so excited. All right, now on to all of the makeup that I got. We will start with MAC because I'm most excited about MAC. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, but in the matte version. So this one is definitely more of a setting spray than I think the regular MAC Fix Plus is. The formula is pretty good still, so it's not gonna break me out, I'm pretty sure. And the other MAC Fix, why is this so hard? This is such a tongue twister, because this is the MAC Fix Plus Matte, and the other one is just the MAC Fix Plus. So that one, the other one is good for like hydrating your skin, and I used it a lot with my eyeshadows. I'd put an eyeshadow on the brush and then give it a little spritz, and then it would make your eyeshadow just stand out and pop and glimmer, and I love that so much. But anyway, I got this one to set my face, so I hope it works out. Next, this is the False Lashes Maximizer from MAC. I need a lash conditioner, like primer, before I put my mascara on. Because of the PCOS, I've lost a lot of lashes, and my lashes are very thin and they don't grow to their full potential anymore. So I always use a lash primer. I've been using the Lash Food collagen primer, but I ran out. So I decided to pick this one up because it had similar ingredients and I was at MAC anyway. I'll let you guys know how this one is. Looking at the wand itself, I think I like the Lash Food one better, but this one's fine. And I'm sure the formula is great on this. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And next, I already broke into this. This is the MAC Extra Dimension Blush in Fairly Precious. Now, I don't know how I didn't know about these blushes before. They have no talc in them. And look at that shade. Oh my gosh. It is so shimmery and glimmery. Now, this is not for you if you don't like a blush with like a sheen or a shimmer to it. It's not glittery, it's very, very finely milled, which I really appreciate. But if you don't like shimmer, if you don't like radiant blushes, don't get this. However, if you are a radiant blush queen, get one of these. So if you have deeper skin tones, you definitely need to be careful which shades you pick out, because they might lean more like a highlighter on you, because they can lean that way even on my skin. So just be careful with the shade choices and look up swatches and stuff. And you can also use them as blush toppers. I hate that word, but like it is really true with these. They do make good blush toppers. I've always thought that was such like a gimmicky thing to say, but it is kind of true for these. So it'll work on me because I'm fair skinned. But yeah, keep that in mind. They do have deeper blushes though. I plan on getting more. There's one called Hush Tone that I really want. It looks so, so pretty. But the next thing I got was a classic that I have never owned and I've always wanted. It's the MAC Honey Love lipstick. It's just a nude. I just realized I don't even have a lip color on. Oh, this is dangerous. I wanted to see if I could use the viewfinder. Oh wait, I'll use my phone. I can't believe I forgot to put lipstick on. Pretty. So one of my favorite, I've mentioned her before. I used to love her here on YouTube, but she's no longer here. She still posts on Instagram, so I follow her on Instagram, and she wore this in one of her pictures, and I was like, what is on your lips? It's so beautiful. And it was this. And she had a gloss over it and a lip liner, so it was like a whole mood. But this alone is still so, so pretty. Glad I got that one. I would just scratch my face. So I got two products from Lipstick Queen. Now I had to buy these from Look Fantastic, the US site, because Ulta doesn't really sell that many Lipstick Queen products anymore. I went through a huge beauty collection phase in like 2014, and I had like every makeup known to man, and I loved the Lipstick Queen lipsticks. So I got this one in Truth or Bare. It's one of the nude lipsticks. It's so, so pretty. It's kind of similar to MAC Honey Love, but it's more on the pinky side. So pretty though. Glad I picked that up. And then I also got the Visible Lip Liner in Beige. Just like a nude lip liner to go with everything. It matches perfectly with the lipsticks that I got. So I'm excited to like actually put these to action, test them out in the field. And a little tip I have for you, if you're wearing masks in school and stuff, but you still want a lip color, put a lip liner on your lips and like work it into your lips with your finger. It'll create like a soft muted color, but it'll last so much longer than literally any other lip product. I'm still not a fan of liquid lipsticks, so I probably wouldn't even suggest those because they dry me out and I feel like they would break down like breathing into your mask. But just a little thin layer of lip liner goes a long way for lips if you're wearing a mask. So the last lip product, I got this Lip Lift Max from Pixie. It's supposed to be a lip plumper. My lips could use a little bit of plumping for sure. I just wanted to try it out. I don't know. It just said it was a glossy lip maximizer. I just wanted it for the clear gloss component. So I'm excited to try it out. I heard that it wasn't like burning or stinging at all like some like the Buxom lip glosses are. So we'll see how this one goes. And it was like really affordable. Any of the Pixie products are really affordable. And lastly, this is another Pixie product. It is the Liquid Fairy Lights. It's a glimmery shadow. I just wanted just a glimmery shadow, you know? It looks a little chunky. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm gonna have to test it. It's hard because swatches don't always tell you everything you need to know. So sometimes a swatch just performs way differently on your eye, and like when you apply it with a finger or a brush than just swiping it on your hand with the wand. So don't let that deter you, but that glimmer in the middle of my hand, that is the Liquid Fairy Lights eyeshadow. So that is everything that I got. I got a good range of products, everything I kind of needed. I mean, I guess I didn't need the lip stuff. I just wanted some more lip stuff in my collection because I have like 2 lip glosses right now and that's all I use. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.